Hey, how you doing, y'all? Back at it with another scrap out. I found this the other day when we were out doing our regular job, and I seen it on the side of the road. I had picked it up then, and I was like, let me check it out. It came with batteries and charger and stuff, but the batteries don't work. So we're gonna scrap it out and see what's in it. I think it's mostly aluminum. Don't think it's got much of a motor, but yeah, we'll check it out, see what's in there. All right, guys, let's go. First of all, let's see if I can do this base. Y'all can see that fine. Let's see, there's no screws. That part, I don't want that part. Let's see, I think these two here are gonna be all we need. Pretty sure it's the right size. I got these, I think it's metric. I got to get a better set of Allen keys. Hand doing pretty good. You can do a lot more with it, which is good than I was able to do before. She's getting there. Just takes time. Thankfully, I heal pretty fast, so comes to this type of stuff anyway. So, pretty sure these are the only two screws holding this whole saw on, so let's see. The battery packs out and everything. It hasn't been, haven't tried to use it in a few days, so it should not have any charge anywhere. You gotta watch some of the stuff when you take it apart. Transformers and capacitors and stuff inside of these things, sometimes they hold the charge. It's in all kinds of different things. All right, let's see. We got more Allen keys. Yes, we do. Whoops. Okay, let's see what is holding this piece on. Looks like just that one. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm assuming take this off and get this piece off of here. There's another screw in there. This whole piece should come off. Never taken one of these apart before, so kind of learning together here. I'm pretty good at figuring out how to take stuff apart. Putting it back together, not so much, but I am real good at breaking stuff and taking things apart. So. Man, this thing is just gonna be the whole way, huh? if it's spring loaded. Hopefully not. There's a little tension on there, so I don't know. It sure is. Screwing, unscrewing the whole way. Yep. This size. Yeah, it's pretty basic. Ooh, is this aluminum too? Wow, I think this whole base is aluminum. That's really cool. If it is, that's really good. Yeah, cool. Nice piece of cast aluminum. Cast aluminum, extrude. That's machined aluminum. Oh yeah, that's machined aluminum. This is probably the highest grade aluminum. If it wasn't painted, it'd be better. But it's what it is. It's a powder coat what they put on here. I used to make stuff like this years ago. I worked in a machine shop. So all this black will be a powder coat, and this is your raw aluminum. That's good stuff right there. Whole bases too. Except for some plastic here and there, but you know, we'll fix that. Nice little extension here. That's new. Slowly getting tools. Couple years since I've been out of it. So. Still some tools that I need, but yeah, that comes with time. You know, I believe that I don't need to buy tools unless I need them or have a use for them. So I don't really just spend money for if I don't necessarily need to. It's just good money habit practice, you know. Metal too. I think that's metal though. Yeah. Regular metal. Screws should be all. Yeah. Go-to magnet there. Plastic. Metal. Little ball bearing. Yep. More plastic here. So yeah, this is a good piece of aluminum too. Just trying to get these out. Adjustables, this might work. just have to get my shit out. Maybe not. All these metal screws up here, this will be clean aluminum. When shit's when times are tough, you gotta get all you can get. And this aluminum. Buddy, everybody wants copper, but aluminum's worth money too. And when you gotta do it, you're looking to make money, gotta grab all that. Oh, it's a Allen key. I do not know if I have. Hopefully it's not metric, because this is standard. Smaller than this right here. Oh, we're going way down. These little tiny. That's the one. Yep. Alright, there's this piece of metal here too. There you go. Another piece of clean. So it looks like this is all aluminum stuff, which is good. I'll take all aluminum. Oh. There's some, I gotta find out though, if they're gonna charge me dirty for this, I'm not gonna worry about pulling off these little tiny pieces. But they'll do clean if I can clean it. Then I'll grind this stuff off. I'll ask them and go to the yard. For now, that can go right there. All right. Away for now. Let's see. So let's take this piece off first. Gotcha. Right. This is metal. Yeah. Let me get it off of there. Wow. Watch out for blades. That's a good blade. It might actually still be good. I have a Renobi, and I have a couple other. These types of saws. So we'll see if it fits them. Off now. Maybe that's why they threw it away. Let's see, I think it's reverse threads. Is it really on there? To reverse threads always confuses me. I don't know if it's gonna come off now. I think I freaking wrecked it. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Looks good. Cool. Got a saw blade. Put that down here. All right. And the rest I think is aluminum, so this ought to be interesting. May not be able to get this off of this. Trying to getting this screw off. It's got like Loctite on it or something. There's two of them. Hey. That'll just, there we go. Like I said, I've never taken one of these apart before, so it's plastic. This is all metal. I think that is, yeah, that is all steel, except for this thing. But this has, it's got steel inside of it, so that's good too. It's good little weight to it too, so it's good for your good for light iron. I haven't checked the prices lately, so I don't know how well it's doing. Things been kind of crazy. We haven't really been able to get out and scrap much and really put the work and time into it that I need to right now. Because life gets busy, you know. Before you know it, you're so busy you're dizzy. Plastic bearings, huh? Metal. Yes, it is. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay, it looks like right here. So much easier with this extension. This should just come right off after I get these 4 screws out of here, but I don't know, so we'll see here. What the hell's going on with this thing? Hand still hurts, but it's getting better. Ain't 100% yet. Yep, there we go. I believe this is all. That I could probably get clean aluminum. I just got to get this little bits off here. That's garbage. It's all rubber. It's like pressed in there or something. Might not be able to get that one out. Maybe. Hold on. I got a flat screwdriver here. It's kind of thin. Need to get some punch sets, but don't really think it's doing much. So let's just leave that be for now. Might be able to get away with it. Oops, that was really loud. My oldest son, I believe, is still sleeping. So, gotta try to be a little quiet. Now it's just a matter of pulling all these little screws out. Should just come right off. Yeah, these are fairly easy to take apart. I don't know what kind of motor is going to be in this, but we'll give it a look. Don't think it's going to be worth much, but get one. I found 2 more. There we go. Right, what are we caught on? All right. There we go. Plastic bits. Ooh. There's a little bit of something in there. Don't know. Gotta take it apart. Let's take it apart further. See what's in there. Snippy snips. Oh, that's good wire. I think it's number 1. Bitch. Yes, I believe it is number 1. Yeah, I think so. I found a new way to strip small wire. Seen it on YouTube. So I'll try it another time. Not today's video, but maybe we can do that in another video. What y'all think? So let's see. Pull this thing all the way apart. Maybe that might be brass. Oh, it's copper. Cool. I'll try to get that out later. Yes, as you can see, I like to micro scrap. Right now, at a means of necessity is why I micro scrap right now. Normally, I prefer not to, but times is tough, you got to, so that's what we're doing now. Let's see. Magnet. This might be a magnet. That would be cool. Sometimes the motors, not sure what type of motors use magnets, or if they might all use them. I don't know. But I like tinkering with stuff, taking it apart and see what's in it. I think that was just a gearbox, right? Yeah. Yep, that's all metal. Good little weight to it. Just light iron though. But it's got weight. She'll scrap. All them little bits. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get into this motor for the copper, but I will pull it apart as far as I can to see. Ah, okay. Actually, there ain't crap in here. It's the magnets. There's magnets. There ain't crap in there. How do you make a motor without copper? That's the little bit. Okay, this ain't worth tearing apart. Because you can't even get that out because it's like coated with some weird coating. So that was a lesson learned. Don't scrap these for copper. Only scrap for aluminum, because I can still get the aluminum off of here, and that's steel. It's not a total loss. It's not copper, but it's not a total loss. There's other ways to make money besides copper. Okay, this might be brass. This little piece. Yeah. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but that's brass. A little chunk of little tiny piece of brass there. I'll take it. Hey, there we go, man. There brass bits around here somewhere. Put it up there for right now. That's garbage. I believe it's just this little spring. That is cast aluminum. It is aluminum though. It's cast. Yeah. It's cast. That's a good piece though. It's got a little bit of weight to it. But, well, all right, guys, gals. That's about it. This is just copper motors. Yeah. Probably put them in a copper bearing. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tell your friends. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.